Los. Okay, guys. So, here we've got some of these sentences. I sleep in my bed. I go for a walk. I dry my hair. I play board games. I stay at home and play video games. I stay at home and read. Okay, so what we're doing here is we're looking for the verbs. Okay, so this first one here, I sleep in my bed. Which one's the verb? Sleep. Good. Okay, I sleep. All right. I go for a walk. What is it? Go. Sehr gut. Okay. Go. I dry my hair. Dry. Sehr gut. These are the verbs. I play board games. Play. Sehr gut. All right. Now, what about these two? I stay at home and play video games. Yeah. Good. Okay. Stay and play and stay and read. Sehr gut. Okay. So now we know ich schlafe. Okay? Schlafe is the verb. In meinem Bett. Yeah? I sleep in my bed. Ich gehe spazieren. I go walking for a walk. Yeah? Ich trockne meine Haare. Ich spiele Brettspiele. Ich bleibe. Now, bleiben is the verb to stay, yeah? So I might say, hey, bleib da, stay there, okay? But if it's I stay at home, ich bleibe zu Hause und spiele whatever it is you're playing. In this case, it's video spielen. Okay. Here, ich bleibe, I stay, zu Hause, at home, und lese. Yeah? Bleibe, lese. Bleibe, spiele. Yeah? Alles klar? Okay, cool. Good. So, the reason I'm doing that is so you are focusing in on where the verbs are, because like I said, they're the things you need to change. Okay? So, let's just try it with some different and unfamiliar phrases. We're going to do it on via Kahoots, okay? Now, those of you at home, I've put the Kahoot up on Google Classroom, so you can just play along or play it as a challenge. Hello. If you must. All right, Morgan. Morgan, this will be on video, so you can see it from home, yeah? Okay. Cheers. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, what we're going to do is we're going to use wenn mit Hobbys, okay? So, might be an idea if I put that on first, yeah? What am I going to do? Yeah. Did you see the stuff? Yeah. Yeah, cool. Right, so just bear with us while we wait for people to get set up. I'm not going to pause it just in case I press stop or something. Okay, here we go. So. Cool. So, wir spielen so. Okay, gut. So, 153, 9217. 1, 5, 3, 9, 2, 1, 7.
Can I put one like a random name?
Yeah, go on. Yeah, yeah, go on. Stephen's brother, Justin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Noch ein Spieler oder Spielerin. Oh, so gut. So, 8 Spieler. So, wir fangen an. Now, guys, some of these you might not know what they mean necessarily, but if you can figure out what the verbs are, then you'll be fine. So, Nummer 1. Wenn-Sätze und Hobbys. Wie sagt man, I like playing tennis? Can you see all right? Can you see all right? Yeah? Okay. Ich spiele. All right? So, we've got the ich and the verb, yeah? So, subject, verb. Ich spiele tennis, and then we've got the gern. So remember, gern or nicht gern always goes after the verb, okay? Unless we're going to flick it around with a wenn sentence, okay? So, let's have a look. Number 2. When it is the holiday, I go to the museum. Wenn es kalt ist, fahre ich mit dem Bus. Wenn es die Ferien ist, gehe ich zum Museum. Wenn ich Geld habe, kaufe ich. Okay. So, wenn es die Ferien ist, gehe ich zum Museum. Yeah? So, gehe ich, it's flipped round from ich gehe, yeah? All right? Wenn es da, comma, verb da. So, ist is a verb, gehe is a verb, yeah? Okay, cool. Nummer 3. Wenn man nicht, sagen die anderen. What do people say? Wenn man nicht, sagen die anderen. Gesundheit. So, what does niesen mean? To sneeze, yeah. Nummer 4. Was hat man, wenn es regnet? Wenn es regnet, hat man eine Sonnenbrille. Wenn es regnet, hat man die Regenbrille. Wenn es regnet, hat man einen Sonnenschirm. Yeah. Okay. Wenn es regnet, hat man einen Regenschirm. What's Regenschirm? Umbrella, yeah? What's a Sonnenschirm?
Rain umbrella.
Opposite. Sun, yeah? Okay. What are Sonnenbrille? Sunglasses, okay. All right. And Regenbrille, rain glasses, there are no such thing. However, I made a big error here. Where is it? What's wrong there on all of them? Look at the weather.
Regnet.
Yeah, it should be regnet. Yeah. So regen on its own is rain. Regnet is yeah. Okay. Ursau's got a streak of 3. Nummer 5. Wenn der Osterhase in Deutschland kommt, ist es. What's the Osterhase? Frühling. Okay, who's going to tell me what that means? Frühling? Spring. But what does the whole thing mean? When the Easter what comes? Easter bunny. Yeah. When the Easter bunny comes in Germany, it is spring. Yeah. Which season is it here in New Zealand? No, when the Easter bunny comes. Autumn, which is Herbst. Yeah, Herbst is autumn. Woo, some movement around there. Nummer 6. Was trägt man, wenn es sehr warm ist? Der Pullover, das T-Shirt, die Jacke, der Mantel. Das T-Shirt, yeah. What's the question mean? Jaden, what is the question? Was trägt man, wenn es sehr warm ist? Pardon? No, Jacob?
What do you mean?
Yeah, what does one wear when it's very warm, yeah? Okay. Nummer 7. Wenn es warm ist, isst mal am meisten Salat, essen wir am meisten Curry, isst man am meisten Salat, essen wir am meisten Salat. Ja, gut. Essen wir am meisten Salat. So, what's that saying, Ryan? What's the whole thing saying? We mostly eat salad. Good. Yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, sorry. You can come closer, guys. Remember that, yeah? Yeah, I know, but if you were closer, you'd be able to see it. I know, I shouldn't have videoed this bit. Okay, Sarah's got a higher streak of 3. So, next one. When it is windy, I fly my kite. All right, now then. What is a Hubschrauber? You can fly it. No, it's not a plane. Pardon? It's not a drone. You can actually be inside and fly it. Helicopter. Hubschrauber. Say it, guys. Hubschrauber. Okay, so what else have people put? What is a Teppich? Underneath the table is a carpet. Yeah, when it's windy, I'll fly my carpet. It could be, but what do you think a Rakete is? A rocket, sehr gut, yeah. Nummer 9. How do you say, wie sagt man, I like to watch TV? Ich sehe gern fern, yeah? So, see where the gern is? Where is it? Where is the gern? After the verb, yeah. Oh, Urso is now on top. Nummer 10. When it is cold, I go to